today, Sonu, actually the inspiration Sonu se aata hai. Sonu is an inspiration for us. When you think about wellness, पहला नाम आता है वो है सोनू सूद. सोनू सूद ने पूरे ये हमारी पूरी जो not only in the country but the worldwide, he is a real hero, inspirational hero and superstar hero.
No, thank you so much, Ashokji, for your kind words. But I can just add to what he said. We do our job, but I think individuals like Ashokji are the real, I would say, heroes who behind the camera who make such brilliant events and make all of us proud. And thank you so much, Ashokji, for always inspiring us. And thank you so much, the whole society family, for this very, very special evening. I'm very, very happy and really proud of Ayan also, who has been doing some great work in the world of charity. And I'm glad that he's taking that step ahead at such a young age. So really proud of him also. Yeah.
Ayan, I just want to ask you one thing. Your father made the whole world proud during COVID. Did you take inspiration from him when you went forward, or was it always in your blood?
No, I think it goes without saying. When you've got such a big inspiration at home that you see every single day, it kind of pushes you, right, to try and do a little better. So I'm constantly on the pursuit of trying to do even half as much as him, and I don't know if I will be able to, but yeah, it's on the constant pursuit. Yeah.
Thank you so much. God bless you.